All right, Jack, it's decision time. Should I dive headfirst into the stock market, picking stocks like a Wall Street hotshot? Or maybe take it easy, let the market work its magic while I focus on other things? Active or passive? Active or passive?
Buy low, sell high. That's the thrill of it, Jack.
It's exhilarating, but can I keep up with the chaos? Index funds, predictable, steady. Maybe there's a middle ground. A little of both. Balance. That's the key. Investing isn't about choosing just one path. It's about aligning with what fits my life. Promotion in the bag, and now, what to do with the extra cash? Should I dive into the chaos of stock picking, be the one calling the shots? Or play it safe, let the market work its magic through index funds? A mix of both. That's how I'll grow, how I'll make this work for me. Investing should align with my life, not dictate it. Suddenly, it's like I'm hearing the voice from those old educational videos, clear as day. In one version of my future, I'm the quintessential active investor, darting through these halls, phone buzzing with brokers from every continent. The thrill of picking stocks, the rush of buying low and selling high, it's electrifying. Sure, it's demanding. Daily news updates, the constant threat of volatility, but then the rewards. It's like sailing through a stormy sea, relying on instinct and skill. High risk, high reward. Down another path, I'm the laid-back passive investor. Content to invest in index funds that mirror the market. It's like planting seeds in a thriving garden and letting nature do the work. Sure, I might not outperform the market, but I won't underperform it either. The tranquility of passive investing, predictable with lower fees. A strategy for those who value time and peace of mind. Active investing, it's thrilling, a real adventure. But do I have the time for that? I love the idea of picking stocks, feeling that rush, but I work too much. And passive investing, it's so peaceful. I could focus on my career, let the market do its thing. Yeah, maybe a bit of both. Why not enjoy the thrill and the peace? Active for the adventure, passive for the peace. I think I've found my strategy.
And so, with a blend of adventure and peace, Jack begins his investment journey.
A bit of both then, the thrill and the peace. Like a Zen master with a bonsai and a garden, meticulous, yet free. I'll dive into stock selection, keep my skills sharp, but let most of it grow in index funds, consistent, steady. Let's do this. It's not just about the method, but how they serve different parts of my journey. It's not just about choosing between two methods. It's about understanding how each can serve different roles in my journey. This is it. Time to make it count. A blend of both worlds. That's the key. This is just the beginning. An adventure in the world of investing. I'll keep an eye on the markets now and then, sure, but it's the journey, the growth. That's what really matters. One step at a time, both me and my portfolio. As I gaze out at the London skyline, I realize that no matter the path one chooses in investing, whether it's the exhilarating active route, the steady path of passive investing, or a blend of both, what truly matters is how it aligns with one's goals, life, and aspirations. And perhaps that is the most valuable lesson in investment anyone could learn. Here's to the journey. one step at a time.